Radishes: roots, leaves, nutrients, and health benefits. Types of radishes. Radishes are a tasty and nutritious food. All parts of the radish plant are edible. The most commonly eaten part is the root, however. The roots have a variety of colors, including red, pink, purple, white, yellow, green, and black. Most have a white interior, but some have a colored flesh. They have a peppery taste, which ranges from hot to mild, and add a crunchy texture to salads. The colored forms give salads a very attractive appearance. Radishes are classified into two categories: summer radishes and winter radishes. The term radish usually refers to the summer varieties, which are the most common type in North America. Winter radishes, such as the Daikon, are popular as well. They are eaten raw and are also pickled, baked, and added to stir-fries. An edible plant, the entire radish plant is edible and can be eaten raw. The roots are usually crisp and moist. Although the leaves are often discarded, they can be used as a nutritious salad green. The peppery radish seeds add a spicy taste to meals. The seed capsules, commonly known as pods, can be eaten too, and so can the flowers. Some people like to steam or boil radish roots and leaves or add them to soups and stews. Radishes can also be microwaved, roasted, and pickled. An oil is extracted from some radish seeds. While this generally isn't used as a culinary oil due to its very strong taste, it's still useful. It's added to some cosmetics as a moisturizer. It's also being investigated for its potential to act as a biofuel. Nutrients in radishes. Radishes contain many vital nutrients. The roots are a good source of vitamin C. 1 cup of raw radish slices provides about 29% of our daily vitamin C requirement, depending on the variety of radish. It's important to remember that vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient and escapes from the roots into the surrounding water if they're boiled. Radishes are also a good source of folate, a B-complex vitamin, vitamin B6, riboflavin, vitamin B2, potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper, manganese, and fiber. Like vitamin C, the B vitamins are water-soluble. Radishes are almost fat-free and are low in calories. Like all plants, they contain no cholesterol. Potential health benefits of the roots. Radishes belong to the family of flowering plants called the Brassicaceae, sometimes known as the cruciferae. The family includes many healthy vegetables, including cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, turnips, rutabagas, horseradish, mustard, cress, wasabi, and watercress. Like many other members of their family, radishes contain chemicals called glucosinolates. These chemicals in turn contain sulfur and give the roots their pungent taste. An enzyme called myrosinase is present inside radish cells, separated from the glucosinates. When the roots are chewed or cut, the myrosinase is released and reacts with the glucosinolates, producing other compounds such as isothiocyanates and indoles. Research suggests that these new compounds may reduce the risk of cancer development. Scientists are continuing to investigate the potential health benefits of radish plants and their relatives. Nutritionists recommend that we eat lots of vegetables, including cruciferous vegetables like radishes. They provide many essential nutrients and may have the added benefit of helping to prevent cancer. Growing and storing summer radishes. Growing radishes is fun and easy. Freshly picked roots are the most nutritious kind. The popular red, globe-shaped or oval radishes that are commonly found in stores and planted in gardens grow best in spring and in late summer, early fall when they are planted outside. These are summer radishes. Despite their name, summer radishes don't grow well in the hottest part of the year. If they're being grown during the summer months, they'll need to be planted in partial shade. Too much hot sun will cause the plants to bolt, grow tall and produce seeds instead of growing leaves and building up their roots. The roots of a radish plant that has bolted develop an unpleasant taste. If you've bought summer radishes from a farmer's market or grocery store and you want to store them in your home, Remove the leaves and eat them so that they don't draw nutrients from the roots. The roots will keep for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Eating the leaves of the radish plant are often thrown away or put on a compost heap, which is a shame. They are good to eat, especially when they're young, small, and fresh. Like other raw greens, they are a good source of beta-carotene, a vitamin A precursor, vitamin C, potassium, and other nutrients. My favorite leaves are the ones that I get at a local farmer's market in the summer. I add them to salads and sandwiches. Some people use them in smoothies, soups, stews, and omelets. The larger and older leaves can sometimes produce a prickly sensation in the mouth. Cooking them eliminates this sensation, however. Planting the seeds and harvesting. The soil for planting radish seeds needs no further preparation than is usually required for growing plants. It should be fertilized and have stones and pebbles removed. Lumps of soil should be broken up. The seeds should be planted about ½ an inch deep in the soil and about 1 inch apart from each other in their row. Rows should be separated by about 8 inches. The plants will need to be thinned at some point after the seeds have germinated. Radishes don't grow well when they're crowded. The plants need to be kept well watered as they grow. Summer radishes are a good plant for children and beginning gardeners to grow since the plants grow rapidly, can be planted in containers, and are usually healthy. They can be eaten as sprouts or left to form mature plants. The roots should be ready to pick in 3 to 6 weeks. They shouldn't be left in the ground for too long or they will become woody and their taste will become hot and bitter. Winter and Daikon radishes, the so-called winter radishes, are planted in mid to late summer and are ready to pick in late fall. They grow more slowly than summer radishes and reach a larger size. Once they are picked, they can be kept in cold storage for several months. The Daikon is a popular type of winter radish. It has long, white roots that are shaped like carrots. The plant is native to Asia but grows well in North America. Daikons need more space to grow than summer radishes because they are larger in size. Daikons have similar nutritional benefits to summer radishes. Also, like summer radishes, they are a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in many different ways. In addition to being served raw, they can be boiled, baked, roasted, stir-fried, grilled, broiled, or pickled. They can be eaten as part of a meal or served in a small quantity as a condiment. The leaves of daikons are edible. As is the case for other radishes, daikons can be eaten as sprouts. Sprouted daikon seeds are fun and quick to produce and give a spicy touch to dishes. Adding the vegetables to the diet, any type or color of radish is a healthy food and a nutritious addition to a meal, whether it's grown at home or bought in a store. It's also a good snack. The tangy taste works especially well in salads. Some people prefer to cook radishes in order to reduce their peppery taste. Peeling radishes also reduces their hotness. One drawback to eating radishes might be their high salicylate concentration. People with salicylate sensitivity may find that they need to limit radishes in their diet, eat them only in peeled or cooked form, or avoid them completely. For other people, though, radishes in a raw, sprouted, pickled, or cooked form can be a great addition to the diet.